Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to today's video. And if you see markets opening with a gap up, but then seeing not a very good sell-off, but definitely a sell-off throughout the day. And same thing for Nifty also, if you see opened with a gap up, then seeing a sell-off. Now, two things can happen over here. If you see Nifty has broken out above this level, right? So now Nifty has officially given a breakout. However, if this is a breakout failure, what will happen is that tomorrow we'll open with a gap down and move down very fast from here. And if that happens, then chances are that we are looking at a very good correction in the market, at least not a very good, but a sizable correction, at least till 24,650 to you can say 600 on the downside. So for tomorrow, the major most important level to watch out, watch out in Nifty will be this zone. Okay, this zone is very important because this is the breakout area. Today Nifty took support from there and has moved up a little bit in the end, but it is not enough. So tomorrow, now as of now, if you see Nifty, gift Nifty is down because the US markets are down and they are falling. So if tomorrow we open with a gap down and start sustaining below this zone, then we can go ahead and take a short position over here and we'll get a very good profit. Why am I saying so is because of the FNO data. I'll just go ahead and uh, actually it is not coming over yet, but if you see pros have again come into bit of a short position, right? I will show you guys afterwards or maybe on Instagram or anything, but pros have actually come into short position again. So it looks like they've booked their profits at higher levels today and they didn't have a very big position, so they wouldn't have had a problem to exit their short positions, oh sorry, long positions today, because they didn't have big long positions, so that's why it would have been easy for them to exit. Now what can we do for tomorrow is going to be simple. If you see Bank Nifty has also taken good resistance from 51,800 on the upside. Now what should have happened over here, at least in Nifty, is that Nifty should have, after opening with a gap up, maybe Nifty could have come down with Nifty would have come down to take support from lower levels and then it should have closed higher, much higher, right? Because of this move that you're seeing, it looks like Nifty should have closed much higher, right? Maybe 25,200, all these levels, because it has opened about 25,000 and after maybe giving a pullback, it should have closed higher and made a very good green candle for the continuation of this trend. However, that has not happened, which is sort of giving a bit of a doubt in this up move or in this breakout that has happened in Nifty. So for tomorrow, what we are going to do is going to be very simple. Below 22,000 or 24,980, any sort of negative price action, we will go ahead and take a selling position in the market, because then this will be a breakout failure and chances are market will correct very fast, at least till 24,800 on the downside, and after that maybe the market can take support from here and start to move. But if 24,800 is broken, then we are looking at another 150 points of fall on the downside. So for tomorrow, it is going to be very simple. Any sort of negative price action below 24,980, you guys can go ahead and take a short position in the market. I'm not saying below 24,960, because if price action starts to get made below 24,980, Nifty will pretty much be below 24,960 by that time. So any sort of negative price action below 24,980, you guys can go ahead and take a short position. That is applicable if we open flat and cross this level, or if we open with a gap down. If we open with a gap down, let's say somewhere near 24,940, 920 or even 900, then we'll wait for one pullback on the upside till 24,960 to 980. Again, same zone over here. Over here, any sort of, again, once we start seeing that market has taking rejection from this area, we will go ahead and take a short position over here again. So if we open the gap down, a little bit of pullback will be necessary for the market. Even if we get a pullback till 24,950, that is fine, but do not short at the opening itself, because people will need to be lured in, right? Anybody, the buyers will need to be lured into the market. So the market will try to go up a little bit, and then at higher levels is where we will go ahead and take a short position in the market. But what we need is a solid confirmation before taking a short position. So please wait for negative price action in the market, right? And then you can easily keep a target of 24,800 on the downside. If you want a bit of a close target, then 24,000 880 is also a fine target, a small target, but 24,800 can easily come if we start sustaining below this level, because then this will be a breakout failure. And whenever there is a breakout failure, a sell off like this is also not really a big deal, right? So that is for Nifty, right? If we open with a gap up somehow, let's say in the US markets reverse and Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P, all of these guys close at much higher levels than this, then what you guys can do over here is, let's say we open with a gap up somewhere near 25,070, 25,100, then what we need is proper sell confirmation. A confirmation of what we need is a breakout failure from the day high. If we see today's high is 25,080. If we open with a gap up, let's say somewhere near 25,060, right? I'll go ahead and make it for you guys. So what happens is that, let's say somewhere near 25,060, we go above this high that has been made today. And then if we are again coming down below that high and starting to make negative price action, a lower low being formed, then we'll go ahead and take a short position over here. And then also we can easily keep our first target near 24,970, 980. Once this level is broken, then we can easily keep a big target of 24,800 also. That is fine. And this will exactly be like Nasdaq over here. If you see something like this can happen in our markets tomorrow if we open with a gap up, right? So keep that in mind. So that is for Nifty. If we open, if now let's open Bank Nifty, and if you see Bank Nifty has again taken resistance from 50 and 800. So if the market starts to sustain below this zone that I've made, and I'm going to share it with you in 15-minute chart. If you see 51,200, this is the most important level. Now if 51,200 is broken, then chances are market will move down till 50,800 also. And then if 50,800 is broken, 50,600 to 500 looks like the next target. So for Bank Nifty as of now, Bank Nifty is still in a bit of a consolidation. It is not breaking this level. However, if Nifty moves down and you are seeing that a trap is being made in Nifty, then you can also go ahead and take a short position in Bank Nifty also. That is fine. Why? Because Bank Nifty will also come down pretty fast if Nifty continues to see a very good sell-off. So for Nifty again, for Bank Nifty, this same level is applicable. What might happen tomorrow is that Bank Nifty might try to go above this level if we open with a gap up. However, what we will keep in mind is that this might be a breakout failure also, because if Bank Nifty opens with a gap up, Nifty will also open with a gap up, and chances are Nifty might see a breakout failure. So if you're seeing that market is again coming back below this zone after opening with a gap up and continuing to break this zone, and if it again comes back below this zone, any sort of a lower low that you see being made below this zone, you guys can go ahead and take a short position. It will be a very, very good trade, because a lot of people will come and take a buying position as soon as we break this area, right? So what if these guys get trapped, then chances are you will get a straight move at least till this is support of 51,200. After that, maybe Bank Nifty might take a little bit of support and then break this level, or maybe take support and again come back into consolidation. So if we open with a gap up, any sort of negative price action that you see, or any sort of buyer's trap that you see being made at higher levels, we can go ahead and take a short position because of the way the market is moving. You know, market should have gone up from here very fast. However, market is taking time near 25,000, which is a bit of a, you can say it looks like market might see a bit of a sell off from here, and after that maybe the market might continue to move. So what you guys can do over here is going to be that, as I said, that any sort of buyer's trap that you see, you guys can go ahead and take a short position from higher levels. If we open flat, we will do nothing. Why? Because Bank Nifty is still in this range. Then what we will do is either let Bank Nifty come near this higher level, and if you are seeing some sort of negative price action, you can again go ahead and take a short position. Or if Bank Nifty opens flat and continues to move down from here, then if you want to take a little bit of an early entry in Bank Nifty, then as soon as we start sustaining below 50 and 400 and start making negative price action, that is where you guys can go ahead and take a short position. However, we will only go aggressive once this zone is broken and once Bank Nifty starts to make negative price action below this zone, because this is the most important zone and not this area. But as I said, if you want to take a early entry, then we'll let 50 on 400 break, and then we will go ahead and take a short position in the market, or you can start building your short position below this level. But yes, the major level is 51,200. If Bank Nifty comes near this level and any sort of price action that you see like this, you can go ahead and take a short position, which will be a simple price action. Another thing that can happen is Bank Nifty breaks 50 on 200, comes back above 50 on 200, showing everyone that there is a good buying. However, if Bank Nifty is again going down from here, then you guys can go ahead and take a short position at this level also, with a target of 50,900 on the downside easily. You can get these 300 points pretty fast, because if a sell-off comes, then chances are market will move down pretty fast from here. So you can easily keep a target of 50,900. If then this zone is broken, then you can extend your target till 50,600 also on the downside. No problem in that, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you very much for watching till the end. The way the price action has been made in the market should move up very fast from here. If we open with a gap up and continue to move up, then we'll need to stay pretty cautious, and you can think about taking a long position. However, I would not recommend taking a long position at higher levels, because today the market should have gone up pretty fast from here. Any sort of breakout that happens, the move should be very fast after the breakout, but this move is not looking very fast, and in Bank Nifty a breakout hasn't even happened. So this is giving me a bit of a skepticism. However, if we are wrong, as I said, that once we get proper closing above about 25,000, we will get bullish on the market. So we will then catch the moves that come after this. But as of now, it is not giving me a lot of confidence looking at Bank Nifty and Nifty. So I've given you my levels, I've given you my techniques. Now, what is important is you look at the price action in the live market and take a short position. So yeah, that was it for today, and thank you very much for watching till the end. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.